So for this problem, to evaluate the derivative, so for this given, so first, using the sum and difference identities, so for this sine A plus B, so this is equal to sine A cosine B, then plus cosine A sine B. So for this given, so this one is A, this is B, so we have A plus B. So we can rewrite this one as sine A or sine X times cosine Y, then plus cosine A or cosine X times sine Y, then equals X plus Y. Then to evaluate now the derivative, so using the product rule, so this one is U times V. So to find the derivative, so this one is U times the derivative of V plus V times the derivative of U. So we have U, and U is sine X times the derivative of V. So for the derivative of cosine Y, so since the derivative of cosine is negative sine, then times the derivative of Y, this one is Y prime. So we have negative Y prime, then sine Y. Then we have now V. So plus V is cosine Y times the derivative of U. So since the derivative of sine X, this is equal to cosine X, and the derivative of X is 1. So we have times cosine X. Then we have plus for this term. So again, this one is U times V. So the derivative is U times the derivative of V plus V times the derivative of U. So we have U is cosine X, then the derivative of V. So since the derivative of sine Y, so this is equal to cosine Y times the derivative of Y. This one is Y prime. So this is Y prime, then cosine Y, then plus V. So V is sine Y times the derivative of U, and U is cosine X. So the derivative of cosine X is negative sine X, and the derivative of X is 1. So this is negative sine X, then equals the derivative of X is 1, and the derivative of Y, this one is Y prime. Then to simplify, so this becomes negative Y prime, then sine X, sine Y, then plus cosine X, cosine Y, then plus. So this is Y prime, then cosine X, cosine Y, then this positive times negative. So this is negative sine X times sine Y, then equals 1 plus Y prime. Now this time we need to group all terms with Y prime. So put all terms with Y prime on the left side. So therefore, so we have now Y prime, then transpose to the other side. So this negative Y prime becomes positive Y prime, then sine X sine Y. Then again with Y prime, so transpose to the other side. So this becomes negative Y prime, then cosine X cosine Y, then equals. So just bring down this cosine X cosine Y, and bring down this negative sine X times sine Y. Then for this positive one, transpose to the other side. So this becomes negative 1. Then on the left side, we need to factor out this Y prime. So therefore, Y prime divided by Y prime, that's 1. Then this one divided by Y prime. So plus sine X times sine Y divided by Y prime. So negative cosine x cosine y. Then equals on the right side, we need to put the negative outside. So since we put the negative outside, so therefore this negative 1 becomes positive 1. This negative sine x becomes positive sine x times sine y. And this positive cosine x becomes negative cosine x times cosine y. Then we need to divide both sides by this equation to solve for y prime. So divide by 1 plus sine x sine y minus cosine x cosine y, and also the other side. So this one is cancel. So we have y prime equals, and we have this negative. Now take note that a number divided by itself, this is equal to 1. So therefore the derivative is equal to negative 1.